Alright guys, this is the wide body kit from STETS. Got here. Oh, this is pretty sweet. Some stickers. Nice. What is this? Oh, an install manual. What's up? That's dope. What up, guys? Just gonna showcase this little Mini R53 wide body kit from STETS. This is everything that comes in the kit. It's pretty sweet. Everything just kind of seamlessly goes together. There's like no damage to the kit from being from Russia. I got here in, I want to say 14 days exactly. But here's everything that comes with the kit. It's pretty sweet. Can't wait to start this build. I kind of set it up so you guys could see what was what. But yeah, man, I am stoked. Came in this box. Box kind of came banged up. I mean, it is coming from Russia, so it's like kind of expected. But yeah, man, there it is. I am stoked. I mean, I couldn't have asked for a better kit for the Mini. Well, I'll keep you guys updated and posted. I'm sure I'm gonna pop into a different scene of the car or picking up the car. But yeah, I'm super stoked. Everything's here. The only thing that didn't come with the kit is the hardware. I don't know if it fell out of the box because there's a huge gash in the box. But I'm gonna make sure I let him know that. I'm sure he'll just send me some replacements. Yeah. Well, I'll keep you guys updated. But man, I am thoroughly impressed by the quality. And again, this is the Mini Cooper STETS body kit from Russia. I mean, if you guys are looking to make your wide body, or if you're ever looking to make your Mini Cooper wide body, this is definitely the route to go. Super good, high quality. I'm excited. It also, you have the option to get the rear spoiler or wing, whatever you guys want to call it, and hood fins. I think the whole kit is like a little under 4,000, including shipping. And I'm in California, so this thing got here in like, I want to say like 2 weeks. So I am stoked. I can't wait to put this thing on. It's gonna look mean. I also ordered the STETS 17 by 10.5 rims that he's coming out with. I mean, it's just pretty much everything that you need. He's literally making it, so it's gonna look epic when it's done. Now I gotta get all this stuff out of my living room. Yeah, so test fitting should be, I don't know, probably like in 2 weeks. I'll be posting a video probably before that, not too sure. But yeah, it should look dope. I'm excited. I can't wait. Like, I don't sound excited because it's like hella late, but trust me, I'm super excited about this. Like, just, I don't know, on reference, that's like, feels like a good 3 inches, 4 inches. I don't know, man. This is gonna be wild. It's gonna look good, huh, Clark? Come on, buddy. It's gonna look good? Yeah, it's gonna look real good, huh? Alright, guys. Well, can't wait. I got to, though. And when I get the car back, we'll do the test fit, and we'll go from there. And I'll set up the camera so you guys can see it all and go for a drive and do the whole thing.